released a song today that's basically a summer bop. Hello everyone, my name is Taylor. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I'm going to just be filming my day. I feel like I have a busy day ahead of me. Mostly upset about it though because it's Sunday and all I want to do is relax. I had work all day yesterday, so I didn't really get to get a lot done. Basically, today I'm going to hit up Trader Joe's and get my grocery shopping done for the week. Pretty sure my mom's gonna join me because she loves Trader Joe's too. I just got out of church. It was pretty great. Yes, I am one of those people that goes to church. I am a Christian and I absolutely love my church. So if you would like to join us today, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see all of my latest videos. Let's see where this day takes us. How do you tell if these are... Alright you guys, we just left Trader Joe's. I'm going to do a haul of what we got once we get back. We're about like 35 minutes away from home, but there's a Ben & Jerry's literally 2 minutes away from here, so I have to go because the closest Ben & Jerry's to me is about, I thought it was like 45 minutes, and this wasn't that bad of a drive, so I'm gonna go to Ben & Jerry's and get an ice cream because why not treat myself? It's bulking season, right? So yeah, I have all the stuff in the back. I'm gonna do that once we get home. I'll show you guys what we got. I am that crazy person who gets ice cream in 30-degree weather. Alright you guys, I'm gonna show you what we got from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna kind of go through this quickly. So the first thing we got was some turkey burgers. I really love these. And along with those, I'm going to be using some arugula. I usually never get arugula, but I thought it would be good on a turkey burger. Next thing with this little combo was red onion. I feel like doing red onion turkey burger and arugula would be really good. And by the way, the macros on these are 10 fat, 0 carb, and 22 protein, which is pretty killer. We just got some milk, and something that I've been wanting to try forever is oat milk. This was $3.99 for 2 quarts. Not too bad. We also ended up getting some rice. I do usually get the brown rice from them, but this one is a mixture between brown rice, red rice, and black barley. Takes 3 minutes to cook these. Really good. Next thing I got is something that I loved during the fall season, was the pumpkin hold the cones, but they didn't have the pumpkin anymore, so I just got the regular chocolate. These are super great. I have 2 when I want a snack. Also got some corn, some butternut squash cubes, some green beans. I don't like green beans, but I got them for the house. Some teeny tiny avocados. I'll also add this to my turkey burger because I love avocados, and the mini ones are the perfect size for me. We got some pasta. This is the butternut squash fall zucchini pasta. We've had this before. It's really good, even with a little bit of butter, salt, and pepper. Another thing that I picked up is the truffle powder seasoning. I've seen this all over Instagram and I love truffle, so I feel like this is probably going to be really good to season some things with. Also ended up getting the sour cream and onion corn puffs. I love these in the cheddar version, but I have some popcorners in the cheddar version, so thought I would spice it up and try something different. We also got 10-minute farro. I know this is similar to barley because when I worked at a restaurant, this is what they used, and they didn't have any barley. Also got spaghetti squash, literally my new obsession. I love spaghetti squash right now. It is so good with some pasta sauce. Probably gonna look up a couple more recipes to make with spaghetti squash because it's so good. And we got tons of bananas because we love bananas. And last thing we got was just a roll of bread, or a loaf of bread, because we're having people over tonight and who doesn't love bread? So that is all I got from Trader Joe's. Sorry that that haul was like super quick. It's because my house is getting worked on and I literally had to tell everybody to stop what they're doing and be quiet for like 5 minutes. So that's why that was really quick. But right now I'm going to do my laundry. The Fascinating Life of Taylor. I'm gonna do my laundry and honestly clean because I haven't had any time and I haven't been home, so I'm gonna clean my bathroom, clean my room, like dust, Swiffer, throw bleach in my entire bathroom. And yeah, maybe I'll include some of that. It's already getting dark out, which is nuts. It is only 2:30. It's been gloomy all day and all I want to do is nap, but I'm gonna keep crushing it. And by crushing it, I mean this day is crushing me. So here's to cleaning. Let's do this. So I thought I would kind of change this into a clean with me segment part of the video. If you guys like, I love watching cleaning videos, like organizing videos and all that stuff. It's definitely my thing. So I'm gonna share with you the rundown of how I clean my room. I am usually a pretty clean person. I try to be. But the first thing I do is vacuum everything. I've actually got into the habit of vacuuming my room twice when I'm cleaning my room because I will vacuum, then Swiffer, then vacuum again because sometimes my room gets really dirty and I have to vacuum before I Swiffer. When I'm keeping up with it, I'll just Swiffer and then vacuum, but when I have like clumps of dust, maybe I'm not a clean person. Another thing I like to do on Sundays is write on my whiteboard. So every week I usually write out really quickly what I have going on every week, and I have class every single day this semester, so it's really only the stuff that I'm definitely doing and stuff that I want to remind myself about if I don't see it in my phone. So tomorrow I have a doctor's appointment and then I just take on my week with appointments. Going to the Jonas Brothers on Sunday, which I'm really excited about. And then I have a little Gymshark thing there for... Gymshark said that I guess Thursday they might be doing a little sneak peek, or Friday. I'm gonna check both days. They're doing a sneak peek of their Black Friday sale. I also like to do little quotes just to keep myself motivated and look at them every day. This is my favorite one. If you can't stop thinking about it, don't stop working for it. That is literally the quote I live by, but this is always part of my Sunday routine. Next on the cleaning list is Swiffering and then dusting all of my surfaces. And then I like to dust all of the surfaces in my room, including my windowsills. So that's the next plan of action. I may or may not be listening to Watermelon Sugar on repeat while I clean. Honestly, Harry Styles, I was a big, I still am, One Direction fan. If you knew me in high school, before high school, 7th and 8th grade, you know the obsession is real, but I love all of their voices. They're so unique, but Harry is like coming out with some really great music. It's totally my style of music, and Watermelon Sugar is just, it's a bop. So I just dusted, vacuumed, and Swiffered my room. Next step is cleaning my bathroom, and I actually don't mind cleaning bathrooms. I just feel like it takes me a while. I kind of just do it, and I hate dirty bathrooms. Like, I hate going to someone's house and their bathroom is just nasty. It really freaks me out. I've let it get to a point where like it shouldn't get to, and it's time for a good deep cleaning. Literally, I spray everything for at least a solid 2 minutes, and I let this Clorox stuff sit in my shower so it can eat away at all the gross stuff. We love this. We love cleaning. We just love cleaning a bathroom. So I finished cleaning my bathroom, I finished cleaning my room, and now I'm just so tired. Like, it's 4 o'clock, so it took me a couple hours. Basically, the plan for the rest of the night is at 5 o'clock, I'm having family over for dinner, and then I'm gonna do some work on my computer. Gotta try to get ahead of the game considering I only have 2.5 weeks left of school. I'm gonna try to work on that stuff. So considering that the rest of this video might be a little bit boring, I am going to just end it here. I think I hopefully got enough footage to kind of share my day, what I got at Trader Joe's and whatnot. I'm honestly like debating on taking a nap, but I feel like it's a little too late to take one considering it's almost dinner time. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, that button right there. That's all you have to do is press it. It's free. It's not like a hassle. I have been trying to make a new video every week and have been keeping up with that, which has been great. Please leave your video requests below and follow my Instagram to see more of me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.
Watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar, strawberry.